Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to make a selector style drop from scratch. So we'll be using a new pack, Future Selection. So if you want 3 Fruit Loop templates, 5 drum loops and 30 high quality presets, make sure to check it down below. It's in the style of Selected and Future Browse. So now, let's dive into the drums. In the second part we'll be remaking the bass, and in the third part we'll be making the selector style plug. So the final result will sound stuff like this. So let's dive into the drums. First of all we need a kick. We're going to use this feature kick. Put an FU4. Just like this. So there we have the kick. Now we're going to add a clap. Put it on every second beat. So just like this. Now we got this. Run the snap to the mixer. And lower it down a bit. So now we're going to add the hi-hats. We're going to add it to the second part of the drop. So we're going to use this hi-hat. And put it on every second. So it sounds like this. So to create more groove, we're going to add a closed hi-hat. Put it right before every hi-hat. So just like this. To make it more groovy, we're going to quantize it. So now let's add more swing. And to finish it off, we're going to use a snare. We're going to edit it every last beat. Just like this. So that sounds like this. Now let's mix it in. So first put an open hi-hat. Then bring in the closed hi-hat. And then the snare. And there you already have your drums. In the next part we'll be making the bass. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next video.